Namaste, welcome to Viratri. A very good evening, and today's live session is all about the beautiful Kanchi Pattu saree. So Kanchi with Kora andi. So the today's collection is like Kanchi Pattu border with Kora body. Such a pretty collections we have and the bright colors. And మీరు కనుక ఆర్డర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే you need to take the screenshot of the saree and message to our team, and you can note down the number. So this is the display board. You can see the number over here. For orders you need to call on 7396382067. You can just take the screenshot of the favorite saree and message to our team such that they will assist you. So these are the single piece colors only. We have only one color. So just hurry up and you can order as soon as possible. This is one of the bright color, red with green. Such a bigger border. It's a skirt border only. Such a traditional border with mango booties and cross lines. It's with a golden weave and the red color with Kora silk. You can observe the material. Very beautiful collection. And this is the pallu with gorgeous weave, which is golden zari. And here's the blouse. So blouse is also very beautiful. You can see plain blouse with pedda border ostundandi. We can stitch it till the elbows and go for the makkam works. And this saree is priced at 6,999. These are the Kanchi border with Kora silk. Such a beautiful collection. I hope you will love all the sarees today because these are different type only. So like pattu sarees are usually heavy antuntaru kada. So like these are the like light weight sarees. And you can see the combination too. This is light lemon yellow with pink color with a bigger border at the bottom. It's a skirt border. So it looks more elegant when we pleat it up, and the body of the saree is having tiny booties and the border with florals and cross checks. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also elegant with light color pink one and the golden weave. And this is the blouse. You can see the light netted blouse with a bigger border. We can stitch it till half the elbows. Such an elegant one. And this is priced at 7,699. These are the special collections of Viratri, and we have only single piece colors. It's like first come first serve basis. So please to take the screenshot and message to our team and they'll get back to you. And this is green with orange. Such a beautiful color. It's a subtle color combination. And the body is having tiny booties and the border is a little bigger. You can see the mango designs and florals all over. The border is little bigger such that it looks more elegant when we pleat it up. Such a beautiful saree. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. This is the pallu with same contrast and the golden zari. You can see the border continuation as well. And for this we have got the beautiful blouse. It's a Kanchi Pattu border blouse. So this is how we can pair it up. We can even try the maggam works as well. And this is priced at 6,999. So the Pattu sarees at this range is like very affordable only. And manaki Varalakshmi Vratam kuda vastundi. So you can choose the favorite collection of yours. This is pink with green. Such a beautiful color saree. And the body of the saree is having silver zari tiny booties. And the border is having florals, cross checks and weave. Saree muttam kuda manaki silver zari ostundandi. Even the border in the body. Such a beautiful color combination. And here's the pallu. Very pretty, and this is Kanchi Pattu border with Kora silk. And this is the blouse, very elegant with cross check patterns and the tiny booties. So this is the pair up. Very beautiful color. Please to take the screenshot and message to our team. And saree price is 7,499. For orders you can check the number which is here. This is the board. Number board. And this is one more beautiful color. So Kora silk is like soft net material and koncham manaki raw silk laga soft net laga untundi. So the saree collection is very pretty, and you can see the combination black with green. Such an elegant one which makes you look more elegant and you'll be the highlight at any of the parties or any functions. This is the pallu. So pallu means kuda meer bigger designs chudochu, chaala chakkaga undi. You can see the detailing very clearly. And for this we have got a contrast border. So this is how we can pair it up. We can go with half elbows or the semi sleeves. And this saree is priced at 7,699. Very gorgeous colors we are having today. This is dark yellow, mustard yellow. Such a beautiful color. It suits for everyone and gives you a glow up. We Hitachi never compromise on quality, so these are the best collections. You can just rely on us and you can purchase this one. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team such that our online team will get back to you. This is yellow with maroon with florals in the border and the saree with booties, tiny motifs all around. And this is the pallu. It's a maroon color shade with golden weave. And the saree looks like a light net material, and this is the blouse. So blouse, you can see the Banarasi style of pattern, and this is the combination. Very beautiful color saree, and this is priced at 7199. Almost all the sarees are like below 10,000 today. So this will be the perfect fit for your collections and for your wardrobe. And this is violet with pink color combination. You can see the polka dot patterns running all over the body, which is with golden color. And two thin borders running on either sides, which is of the same size. And you can see the florals and the zari lines running at the border. Very beautiful color combination. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number. And here's the pallu. Pallu is also having the contrast with beautiful designer, which is a golden weave. And here's the blouse. So blouse is very elegant. It's a Banarasi style of border. We can even pair it up with different kind of blouse, and this is priced at 699. This is one of the gorgeous color and everyone's favorite too. This comes under the pastel. This is pink with sea green color pastel only. Chudaniki chala chakkaga undi, and the saree is also very lightweight, and you can see the border is little bigger, which is like 12-inch border. So it looks pretty when we pleat it up. And this color suits for almost all the age groups, and the saree is also very beautiful, and you can flaunt it like this. The combination is very beautiful. And for this blouse, so here's the blouse only. So blouse is also the check pattern model, which is with a golden zari. Such a beautiful one. And this saree is priced at 8199. These are the collections of Kanchi with Kora silk. So the body is Kora silk only. And this is one more beautiful color, such a lovely combination. And this is blue with lemon yellow. And the body of the saree is having tiny booties. And the border is elegant with florals and zari border running on either sides. Very beautiful color. And this is the pallu. The contrast. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. Or you can even visit our store, which is Hitachi Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. And this is the blouse combination. And the saree is priced at 699. We are also shipping these sarees worldwide, so you can just choose your favorite and order from where you are. This is red with green, such a lovely combination, smart collection. And the body of the saree is having tiny butties, which is silver weave. Silver zari butties ostunandi. And the border, you can see, the bottom border is a little bigger with cross checks and florals. Very beautiful collection. So for orders, you need to take the screenshot. This is the pallu. Pallu is the same for almost all the sarees in this collection. And here's the blouse. So blouse is with brocade design. This is the model, and you can pair it up like this with beautiful jewelry. And this is priced at 7499. In the next one, such a lovely color which suits for almost all the age groups. This is royal blue. Royal blue with sea green color contrast border. It's a unique color combination, and the border is having cross check lines and the florals, which is with a silver weave. The detailing is very clear, and the body of the saree is having silver booties. Very beautiful color. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. This is the pallu, the contrast color. And we have got a blouse, which is with a check pattern and the motifs all around, which is like a brocade design. And this is the model. And this saree is priced at 7499. These are the collections of Hitachi, which is from Vijayawada. You can even visit our store for physical visit, which is open till 9 p.m. every day. And this is one of the beautiful color, green with red color border with a floral jal at the border, and the body of the saree is having golden color booties. Color combination is bright and elegant. This is the pallu, and we have got a pretty blouse for this with a stripes pattern and the bigger border. We can stitch it to the half the elbows or above the elbows. And this saree is priced at 6,999. This is one more unique color combination. This color suits for all the people who loves the dark color. This is chocolate brown with a sea green color border, which is with a silver weave, and you can see the florals and the top checks and line patterns with florals. Very beautiful border running on either side, and the body is having tiny floral booties, which is very tiny, and you can see it's assorted. Very beautiful color combination. And this is the pallu. You can observe that all the pallu for all the sarees are same, and the blouse model differs. And this is the blouse model with the brocade design. Really lovely, isn't it? Please do take the screenshot to order, and this is priced at 7,499. We'll move on to the next one. This is such a lovely color. Don't miss out the saree. First come first serve, because we have only one color in this variety. This is Kanchipattu border with Kora silk, and this is sea blue with pink color. Both are the pastels, and the border is having florals and cross check patterns, which is with a golden weave, and the body of the saree is having tiny booties. Such a beautiful gorgeous color. This is the pallu, same as all the sarees, and the blouse. So blouse is with the brocade design. Very beautiful. We can go with pipings or bell sleeves, and the saree is priced at 7,199. Lovely collections, and we hope you will love almost all the sarees and the beautiful garment. And these sarees will be perfected for all the occasions, even for the traditional occasions. And this is light peach pink with lemon yellow color, and the body of the saree is having tiny booties, and the border with golden weave and florals. Such a beautiful combination running on either sides, and the bottom border is a little bigger. This is the pallu, the contrast color, and the blouse with brocade designs again. We have some color options in this kind of saree. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team, and the price is 7,199. And yes, this is one of the favorite color for almost all the ladies. This is pink color. We love pink, isn't it? And the saree is having full of check patterns. You can observe the lines, which is with the golden lines and the bandhani design. And the body is and the border is having the floral jal with a khadi border running on either sides. Such a lovely color. This is the pallu, and the blouse is pretty elegant with the contrast color, which is light pink with a beautiful border. And this is the set, and this is priced at 6,199. The prices are at the best weaver's price, so you can order your favorite saree which suits for your thing. And this is cream with orange, such a beautiful color. You can see the body of the saree is with floral booties running all around, which is with a golden weave, and the border is a traditional border with stripes pattern, and the floral and the khadi border running on either sides. Very beautiful color. This is the pallu, and for this we have got such a beautiful blouse with check patterns and a beautiful border. We can either team up like this, or we can try a golden color blouse as well. And this saree is priced at 6,999. Such a lovely sarees, and this is the last one for today from the collection of Kanchipattu with Kora silk. This comes under the pastel, and this color saree suits for all the occasion, and the body of the saree is having tiny booties, which is silver weave, and the border is also having the florals and cross check line patterns. Such a beautiful and lovely saree. I hope you love this. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. And this is the pallu, the contrast pink color, and the gorgeous blouse with check patterns and the tiny booties with Rudraksh motifs. And this is how we can pair it up. And this saree is priced at 7,499. So that's all for today from the collection of beautiful Kanchipattu with Kora silk. So these are the lightweight sarees which will be suitable for almost all the functions, and we can tie it up for a longer duration. And my favorite saree in live save cheyagane once again go through all the sarees and take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number So here's a WhatsApp number. Vitality Shopping Mall, the branch of Mukta. For orders, this is the number. Please do take the screenshot. 73963 It's a WhatsApp number. And you can also note down the shipping charges, as we are shipping all the sarees worldwide as well. And thank you. Again, we'll be back tomorrow in FB page of Vitality Shopping Mall at 6:30 to 7 p.m. We'll catch you tomorrow, and till then, good night.